Let me tell you, I got my first 1,000 subscribers after 3 years of content creation, and even now, I do not have a lot of subscribers. But hey, I did not quit YouTube because it has given me so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching for the very first time, hi, my name is Rajita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator. 2026 is just around the corner and I want all the good things that I have learned over the years from YouTube to motivate you a little bit so that you can also start your YouTube journey and learn a lot of things over the years. So the very first thing that I have learned from YouTube is that mental resilience. आपको एक चीज को पाने के लिए कितना वेट करना पड़ता है, that YouTube teaches you a lot. YouTube एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आपको क्विक रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलते हैं. I won't say कि सबको नहीं मिलते, but there are a lot of creators even today struggle in creating a good content, understanding the YouTube algorithm and post consistently on YouTube. I started creating content back on 2020 and my videos, my views used to suck. I used to post content and एक वीडियो में around 23, 25, max to max 50 views आ जाते थे, and that is like the most amount of burnout that I used to feel because honestly creating a YouTube video takes a lot of effort, lot of time, editing, shooting and all that stuff. But even after doing all that, if I'm getting 50 views, I used to get so much frustrated. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, these kind of platforms give you that exposure, quick views, quick followers, but YouTube is not that. So what I have learned from YouTube is to create a good content, to understand your audience, to understand the algorithm and then get the actual views. Even till today, I don't get a lot of good views, but I am happy with the kind of audience that I have. My audience understands me. जैसे मैं content बनाती हूँ, the content style, the content topics, those content or those topics are quite relevant to my audience. I will tell you a bit of story. I've recently read somewhere that Mr. Beast, like he has the most amount of subscribers when it comes to YouTube. He has got his first followers, like first 1,000 subscribers after 2 years. मतलब उन्होंने शायद 100 वीडियोस पोस्ट करके उनका फर्स्ट 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर कंप्लीट हुआ था, and look at him now. So what I feel is that YouTube teaches you to not stop, to keep on continuing the good work, to keep on making yourself better overall in the process. Now the next thing which I feel what I have learned the most while creating contents on YouTube is that craft improvement. अगर आप मेरा first video देखोगे, even if I see my first video, I start laughing because A तो video quality was not that great, B the editing suck, C the voice, the audio, there was nothing good in that content. And जब मैंने वो content post किया था, I was expecting कि oh god ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा views आ जाएगा, but it did not happen. So over the years I've learned the craftsmanship of content creation. I learned camera angles, I learned lighting, I learned how to put the mic in the right spot to get the perfect audio. Even now I'm learning a lot of things. So in this overall process there is a lot of learning, which takes me to my third point, which is the personal growth. Now after the growth of craftsmanship, YouTube make me learn a lot of things कि मुझे किस तरीके का content बनाना चाहिए, किस तरीके के content को ज़्यादा exposure मिलता है, ज़्यादा views मिलता है, likes, subscribers मिलता है. So I used to post contents about makeup, fashion, lifestyle, beauty and all that stuff, and it used to get views. I won't lie कि हाँ एकदम ही views नहीं मिलता था. I used to get views, but the amount of subscribers, the people who actually want to know more about me were less. So this year was the turning point when I decided to start a new series called UGC Creator Series. So I started that back in February 2025, and The first content that I posted, it got around 20,000 views and around 360 or 65 followers or subscribers in one piece of content. So when I started creating UGC content, I have seen a lot of difference in the overall process. I have seen कि मुझे economic growth मिल रहा है, मुझे उतना काम भी नहीं करना पड़ता था because the process is very convenient for me at that moment. So I've decided to create a series around it, and that particular series has got me over 12 to 1500 subscribers just in the time span of around 5 months. क्योंकि जब मैंने वो सीरीज करना स्टार्ट किया, I did a lot of research, I watched a lot of fellow creators video कि वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वो लोगों का क्या thought है. I researched a lot for that particular series. Now that particular topic has got me a lot of subscribers alongside a lot of knowledge. Now coming back to my next point, which is the community building. YouTube is very much famous for community building. I feel that अगर आप कोई भी ऐसे social media platforms उठा लो, like Facebook, there is Snapchat, there is Instagram, Threads है, X है, there are a lot of social medias out there, but I think YouTube is the place where people actually rely on you. यहाँ पे ना आपका एक personal portfolio build होता है. If you still feel कि YouTube continue करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, I would say कि start creating content which will add value to your audience. Which brings me to my last point, which is rewards. Now, इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद अगर आपको वो रिवॉर्ड ही ना मिले तब क्या ही फायदा होता है. So YouTube has reward functions as well, like YouTube has a monetization program जहाँ पे after you hit certain followers and reach to a certain watch hour, they start paying you. And trust me when I say this, people do earn good amount of money from YouTube क्योंकि yes, it's not a stable source of income. अगर आप consistently post नहीं कर रहे हो, then तो obviously a stable source of income नहीं है. लेकिन if you want to take YouTube seriously, so YouTube will also take you seriously and it will start giving you rewards. Monetization program है, there is affiliate programs, there is a section called rewards जिसमें people give you some sort of tokens and stuff like that which can be converted into your own currency. So I think overall YouTube is a wholesome package where you can develop your skills, you can understand how to be a better creator, how to speak properly, how to create your own community by earning good amount of money. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys like this video and find it helpful. And अगर मैं थोड़ा सा value आप लोगों के life में add कर पाई हूँ, थोड़ा सा आपको influence कर पाई हूँ for continuing your YouTube journey, because I personally feel that YouTube is a very good platform. But yeah, I would suggest कि अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि you will skip YouTube, you will not posting because you are not getting good views, trust me, you need to wait a little more. You need to put a little more effort in your content. Be out there and be the real you. Start speaking freely with your audience and then you will start seeing the results eventually. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if I really add a little bit of value to your daily life or to your content creation journey, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys definitely on the next one.